Welcome to the CryptoNest. So update on Chainlink. Alright, so we did the bigger wave 1, here was a wave 2. Could it be that this is the third wave and finally we will manage to break out from this side channeling? Well, let's zoom in and check it out. Okay, so I am on the 4-hour chart. As you can see, we can count starting from here, a wave 1, a wave 2, a very nice impulsive movement to the third wave, a pullback for the fourth wave, and now possibly we're doing this fifth wave. I say possibly because until we don't reach about $8.29, $8.30, so when to make a higher high of this third wave, we cannot still count that as a fifth wave, right? Also, the other thing I can notice is, like, if I do the Fibonacci extension of, let me take the brush here. So from this first movement, wave 1 to the wave 2, okay? So this is, as you can see, the third wave, it really outperformed because usually third wave goes to the 1.618. I even took it out now, so it's easier to follow. So we kind of touch, actually we even way beyond the 2.618 a little bit. After that, we did this fourth wave. I did tell you that when we were here, it started to not look good, right? Because it was kind of going on the side. It was really unsure. If I take some indicator also, they were not that conclusive. So I did tell you, you wanna start to make some, put some self-stop limit, even that was not financial advice. It's always good to protect our profits, right? So first of all, we should have taken some profits here. And yeah, here we secure our profits by putting self-stop limit. And now we can even dig in a little bit more. So I'm going to go even, maybe 15 minutes and see what's happening now. So we did this fourth wave. Let me zoom in even more. Full chart. There you go. Okay, so this is the end. So beginning of impulsive movement, kind of. So you can see that this was a wave 1, this was the wave 2. Now, since I have the first two wave, I can estimate what would be the third wave, right? So I do a Fibonacci extension beginning to end of the wave 1 to the end of the wave 2. It gives me 1.618 Fib extension, $8.38. This should be the target, ideal target for a third wave. After that, we're going to make a corrective movement. And after that, ideally, fifth wave at $9.09. Now, this is all projection. For sure, it's not crystal clear for the moment. And yeah, for sure, everything can happen. So first of all, once again, we need to do a higher high compared to this third wave, which was $8.274. So the first target, it should be there. Are we going to hit some small resistance here? Maybe. And after that, maybe reach this 1.618 at $8.38? Very likely. Now, let's see what... No, that deal target we did calculate it for the micro counting, so should be $9.09. If now I take the bigger count, well, since the third wave reached almost $8, you can see that 3.618 is $8.83. And I would say anywhere between $8.83 and here $9.15 would be a reasonable target for this fifth wave, if we ever have it, a fifth wave actually. So it's still not a deal done, right? Because we didn't do a higher high of this third wave. So for the moment it's looking good, but it's not official yet. Now let me go back on the, well, for sure now I am on the 1 hour chart. I don't know why I'm missing some indicators. No, didn't want to do that, sorry. Where are you? just want to add the MACD. Okay, so, well, no surprise, we are oversold on the 1 hour. I would say the same thing will be for the 4 hours. There you go. Most important one is the daily once again. So we're not oversold yet. So we still have some room to go. As you can see now also, we on the momentum, we are having our first green candle. So we're being, we're being positive, right? So it's really looking very good indeed now for Chainlink, and it's even moving during the weekend. So that's amazing. All right, so this is pretty much all for Chainlink for today. Once again, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And have a good weekend.